again. It's a rich thing.
People be mad because they can hear what we talking about during this part. So I'm gonna try to keep the music down.
They want to hear what we're talking about?
Yeah, before the beat roll. Somebody said, music is too loud, I can't hear you. I said, the video ain't even started. Calm down, it's gonna be alright. You gonna hear me when I'm talking. I ain't got the video playing. If y'all have not, please go check. You see that? Oh, that's it. It says Vinyl Supply Unlimited. They're actually in this video.
That red.
Check them out. Got some slick colors, y'all. Band-aid materials. Some way different patterns that we ain't never seen before or experienced.
On camera, this is huge.
In person, this is YouTube. It's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Today, y'all, we're gonna be doing some unboxing, and it's over something that's been much anticipated. You wanna know what it is? Stay tuned. It's that Ricoma, y'all, and yeah, I know you can't see my face. It's just taking me back to my home improvement days. You know, when I was about, I think 8 or 10, I watched that. I might be showing my age on this one, but yeah, check this big baby out. It's an auto open Ricoma hat press, and I'm actually gonna move it to the floor so you guys can see my face, and we'll get this out, take a look at it, possibly plug it in, but we will not be pressing hats today. This is just simply an unboxing. All right, y'all. So y'all can see what I'm working with. And put these scissors down. I ain't playing with no scissors. So, as you can see, it's packaged very well. They got styrofoam cap on top. Looks like a power cord. Yep. Right on top. Instructions. I'm actually gonna read those. They did their thing on this packaging, y'all. It's extra safe. Let me set this off over here now. Try to steal it. And I'm rearranging the workspace, y'all. I'm trying to knock nothing over or onto the floor. Let's see how am I going to do it. This thing is heavy. I'm a big boy, but you might want to have somebody help you out. I'm probably going to be crying tonight on some real stuff, y'all. Woo! Now, just from right here, that box y'all seen, it's more press than it was box. That's impressive. Shouts out to you, Ricoma. Hey, yo, Ricoma. Look like y'all did y'all thing on this one. I gotta lift straight. So you definitely gonna have to have some help with getting the bottom. I'm gonna try to attempt it with one hand. This thing ain't going back in the box neither. You out for good.
You want me to pull the bottom?
Yes, I'm punching people. Hopefully trying not to hit my hand. My wife already broke her ankle. I'm not trying to break nothing. No, I got it. I need that quality, girl. Don't worry about it. As much as I paid for it, I ain't dropping it. All right. Let's get a side shot of that. And I'll turn around. So we get a front shot. Well built. Oh, a little bump pad up front. Let's turn her this way. Look at how big that touch screen is, y'all. It's almost as big as my head. And I know I got a big head, so. A little bit winded, but yo, check this big thing out. It's an automatic open. Got the nice Ricoma branding on it. Looks to be like a nice hat lever or closure on there. And I got a hat back here, so we're just going to show what it would look like if we were to press. I don't see no zip ties. Usually it's a zip tie. So I ain't got to worry about it. Or... No, that's for the magnet. Y'all, this is where you're supposed to read them handy dandy instructions. But you see, I'm trying to get to it without plugging anything in. I'm trying to open it and everything. Let me see what this little book say real quick. I'll be right back. Yo, we got some major hiccups that y'all just didn't see that we completely avoided. Now, if you are on my YouTube live, you probably didn't seen it. So y'all, go check those Talk to Me's out. I do them quite often. I'm trying to get my watch hours up. For some reason, YouTube is saying that I'm at 30 hours and then it goes back up to 300 hours and then it go back to 1 hour. So I'm trying to get past that threshold so I can become monetized, y'all. The subscriber count is going through the roof. I appreciate everybody that's subscribing to Mike T's, all the new subscribers and all the returning ones. But while we at it, what up, squad? Shout out to y'all. 12 Gone Apparel. You dig? You dig? Jay Styles. And to all the squad constituents. I'm going to shout out a few of y'all at the end of this video. So right here is the power cord that came inside the box. And it's got some white paint on it or something. Simply plug that in and we'll go around to the front. Yo, I had trouble trying to figure out how to get this up. And my daughter seen that there was a safety bolt that's on top of here. So if you get yourself a Ricoma, make sure you don't do what I did and be over here trying to figure stuff out. Most importantly, y'all, read those instructions. It's always in the instructions. Men, we have a tendency, and yes, I'm speaking for all men, to completely disregard the instructions. Check them out. They can help you out. But you want to remove this packaging bolt right here off the top. That way, the top will be released. There we go. Let's turn this on. Ooh, yeah. That's nice. I kind of only want to remove the plastic. And y'all, it ain't going to heat up that quick. I had it on. I'm not going to lie. It was already on. But it's preset at 50 Celsius, which I'm going to change everything Fahrenheit. I'm not sure what that is, 50 Celsius. For all I know, it could be the actual hat press temp where you're supposed to press at. And it shows where the current temp is. This is futuristic. I'm loving this. I cannot wait to get the actual heat press. Let's go over the features, y'all. We already talked about the touchscreen. Right here in the right-hand corner, you hit that. You can adjust the language, date and time, parameters, temperature, production statistics. And those are all different things. We'll break that down as I go through pressing with this actual hat press. I'm not going to go through all of it today. I'm just going to go like a little breezy over it. You know what I'm saying? A little into it real quick. And then you can go back to home. And we're going to actually close as soon as it hits 50 degrees Celsius. But while that's doing that, it has a nice magnet attached to it. It has a platen. Now, you can buy separate platens for your different types of hats, your 5 panels, your trucker caps, phone caps, visors, things of that nature. And that is, there's a red little knob down here that unscrews, and you can actually change the platen out right here. So that's not stationary or permanent. And for loading capabilities, mouse will get that on out the way. Put that on there. And you can adjust your hat. Now, I will probably still use a pressing pillow because I don't like that, but I'm pretty sure it's more to just this, me putting it on there. I actually got to do my due diligence, y'all, and actually study this heat press and see how to how it performs the right way. Because if I'm going all willy-nilly with it, I'm going to mess up and have the same issue I was having with that other press, which we're trying to avoid. So make sure y'all read those instructions. And if for some odd reason you lose your instruction manual, go to Ricoma.com and check it out. So it's closed and it's going to open in the next 4 seconds. Wow. That's pretty slick. So this knob also on the bottom, this is the pressure adjuster, as well as it is to remove this actual pad right here. It comes with a certificate seal, handwritten, and I think that's pretty slick. So it's quality inspected and it passed. And if I have any trouble, all I have to do is go on and put this number in my registration. It will tell them that there's something wrong. They'll either have me ship it back out or they'll send the part out. Guess what? Free of charge. No shipping. As long as my machine is registered. That's great. Shouts out to you, Ricoma. Y'all the real ones. But let's shout out some of the squad constituents. Shouts out to Veronica Hernandez. Hey, I appreciate your realness, your compassion, and your passion for your products and reviewing. Keep being great. Keep lacing us with content. We appreciate you being in the squad. The second person I got is Swan Gardner. Shouts out to you. I know you're rather new, and I've seen a little bit of your work. Keep engaging. Keep being great. And we appreciate you being in the squad. Last but not least, we're going to go with Anthony Samuels. You've been with us for a while. We appreciate you, brother. Keep grinding, keep gritting. And I would love to see some of that embroidery work, as I know you got an embroidery machine. Man, thank you for being a part of the squad. Without y'all being a part of the squad, there would be no squad. So salute to y'all. But y'all know what time it is. I got stuff to do, work to get to, and a life to live, as you do. Keep grinding, keep gritting. I'm out.